Well, it's that time of year again. Putting the plow gear on the tractor. Got the plow on and got it at an angle. I'm gonna put a support from there to there to keep it from pushing into the tire. I'm gonna do some repairs on the seat, and I'm gonna put some headlights on this thing, because a lot of times, you know, you gotta do some plowing when it's dark out, especially, you know, it gets dark at like 5 o'clock. So let's see, it took quite a bit of work to get that loose, but I got it now. Okay, it's coming out very slow. Oh man, that's pretty cruddy. Wow. I see pieces of dirt and stuff. That's not good. That's not good. It drives around and pushes alright though, so I don't think there's anything wrong with it. Alright, there's the little A-frame I built. And that should add a lot of rigidity to the plow. Holy crap, what happened here? Oh, that's pretty nasty. Got rear-ended maybe. Maybe it had a weak frame. Here's an older Ford. Rotted to heck. 2003, last on the road. Well, just exploring. There's the one that burned. I spy something old over here. There we go. Looks like a Jeep. Looks pretty solid actually. It's a neat old rig. Not that old, but pretty cool nonetheless. Not much left of that one. There's the river. There's a couple cop cars and a taxi. But not much else down here. Some old trucks up there. I got this stack here because everything needs stacks, right? And a little tapper on there, and that's gonna go on the tractor. That'll be cool. And we'll see how far I get with that today. Well, there's the old muffler, and this was facing down to the old muffler, so I cut that off, and now I'm gonna weld it on like this and put it in there. Alright guys, I'm mocking things up. I'm really liking it. See? Now I do gotta put little supports to the frame so there's not so much weight on that mount there. Don't you just love the smell of Deere oil? Alright, I got the rear end all filled up with fresh oil, and I drained all the old oil out so the cylinder wouldn't get filled with oil from flipping it over. So I'm going to change, obviously going to change the oil as well, which is always a good idea. Of course, you're not going to be able to see much, but oh well. I'll go back to the garage. Well, it's the day before Thanksgiving. Probably worked on the lights tomorrow. You can see it's kind of smoking, probably just crap in the pipes burning off. That'll go away after a while. That happened when I built the exhaust for this truck and that truck. It smoked for a while and then it burned off and all was good, so not worried about it. But anyway, thanks for watching. And have a happy Thanksgiving.